Guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a 2020 plate Transit Custom. What the customer wanted in this was an audio upgrade, so we've replaced the existing sync system with an Alpine ILX F905D, which is the Halo system. We've also fitted this in a custom painted panel, as well as doing an Alpine digital rear view mirror camera. And we've also done an audio upgrade with soundproofing, as well as a Thinkware dash camera in the vehicle, which is a 4K system. So what this system does is it basically integrates fully into the vehicle. Now I'll show you the back of the vehicle. Here you can see there's a camera, and the customers had this custom color coded. So the camera, that's the factory camera, and the camera below it is the digital rear view mirror camera. And from a distance there, you can see that is very, very discreet and fits well on the vehicle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in the front of the vehicle and show you the rest that we've done in there. So here we go. So this is the vehicle. So these are the clocks, and that's the Alpine ILX F905D. And you can see how well this is in this custom painted panel, because the customer had a Highline vehicle and wanted it done right. So it matches the factory trim, as you can see. And you can see how well this fits into the dash. So that system fits into there absolutely perfectly. Now this Alpine system will give you a better sound. It's far better sounding, it works better. I'll show you the system in here. So this is the rear view digital mirror camera, which we will come back to, and this is the Thinkware U1000 dash camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the Alpine system. So this has got AM FM radio, it's got Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming. This works through the existing steering wheel controls. This will actually also operate through the existing reverse camera. And as you can see there, we're on radio at the moment. So this has got AM, FM, DAB, and there's your reverse camera. As you can see, it's retained the existing lines, and if we take it out reverse, it's back to normal. So functions and features on this system, as you can see there, we've got normal radio, we've got 2 USB inputs, we've retained the factory USB down there at the side of that SIG socket. As you can see, the passenger airbag panel there, and we've also retained the one on the top by doing some trick integration things. So these will integrate into the USB 1, USB 2. We've got a HDMI input if you wanted to do an Amazon Fire Stick or an additional player into there. It's got auxiliary, it's got Bluetooth calls, Bluetooth streaming. This has also got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration into the vehicle. So this fully integrates into the system. Now also what you can see with this is there's the settings menu. So this has got a number of different things to make the vehicle sound better. So we've got a music expander, we've got crossovers, we've got subwoofer level control if there was one fitted, and this crossovers, we've also got an EQ that adds onto there. So this integrates really, really well into the vehicle, and works incredibly well. So let's show you some of the other parts that we've done. So what we've also done in here is an Audison upgrade. So these are the stock location for the speakers. We've heavily soundproofed the doors, and we've added our Audison APK 165 component kit and the tweeter again in the stock location. These sound incredible but look totally stock. And what we've also done in this vehicle is we've done the rear view mirror monitor, like I explained. So this is the Alpine DME R1200. So this is a digital rear view camera, and you can see how well that integrates into there. So this is very, very similar to the systems that they fit on the Ford ones. You can see the mount goes onto the stock location, and you can see how well that fits in the vehicle. It's absolutely perfect. Now what we can do with this system is we can adjust the view. So as you can see there, I'm touching the screen, and that's giving me changes in viewing angle. And this basically will be on all the time when driving. So for a vehicle that has no facility or no rear window, This is something that you can actually, as you can see here, so obviously it's a bulkhead, you can see out of the vehicle at any time, and it works absolutely incredible. So, and then we've got the Thinkware dash camera. So this is a 4K system and records when driving, as well as gives you a parking mode. So for further information on upgrading your vehicle to add a digital rear view mirror, a dash camera, or the Alpine Halo screen, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550 or email the sales team at sales@sourcesounds.com. Thank you for watching, and obviously if you like what we've done, please could you share and like the video